Intermittent fasting, it's more than just a diet trend. It's an ancient practice backed by modern science. Fasting for long hours offers incredible benefits for your entire body. Intermittent fasting involves alternating periods of eating and fasting. The most popular methods are 16-8, where you fast for 16 hours and eat during an 8-hour window, or 18-6, where you fast for 18 hours. But what happens when we extend our fasting window? When we fast for longer hours, the body shifts from burning glucose to burning stored fat for energy, a process called ketosis. This boosts metabolism and promotes fat loss, particularly around the belly. Fasting helps to preserve lean muscle mass while targeting fat stores, making it an efficient way to lose weight and build a leaner body. During fasting, our cells initiate a powerful process called autophagy, where they clean out damaged components and regenerate themselves. This process slows aging, reduces inflammation, and even lowers the risk of diseases like cancer and Alzheimer's. Think of it as a deep cleaning for your cells, promoting longevity and overall health. But it's not just the body that benefits. Fasting boosts brain function by increasing the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, or BDNF, a protein that supports learning, memory, and cognitive function. Fasting also reduces oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain, lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Longer fasting periods help stabilize blood sugar and lower insulin levels, making it highly effective for managing and preventing type 2 diabetes. This improves insulin sensitivity, helping your body use insulin more effectively. Fasting for longer periods has been shown to lower bad cholesterol, reduce triglycerides, and lower blood pressure, key factors in reducing the risk of heart disease. It promotes a healthier heart, allowing you to live a longer, more vibrant life. Fasting also has profound spiritual benefits. It heightens mental clarity, promotes mindfulness, and deepens our connection to ourselves. It's a practice that has been embraced by spiritual traditions for centuries to find inner peace and balance. Ready to give intermittent fasting a try? Start slow with shorter fasting periods and gradually increase as your body adapts. Remember to stay hydrated, eat nutrient-dense foods, and listen to your body. Fasting can transform your health and well-being from the inside out. Give it a try and feel the benefits for yourself. Start your journey to better health today. Embrace the power of fasting and unlock your body's full potential.